In this tutorial, we will write a Java program to check whether an alphabet is vowel or consonant. So we will start by taking it from the user, enter an alphabet, and I will store into a character variable. Alphabet equals to reader dot next dot character at index 0. So this will give us character, and now we need to check whether this alphabet this alphabet is equals to either A or alphabet equals to E or alphabet equals to A E I or alphabet equals to O or alphabet equals to U. Okay, so if alphabet equals to any of these five characters, which means our character or alphabet is a vowel, so we will print that the alphabet is a vowel. Okay, and otherwise if it is not one of these five alphabets, then we'll print that our alphabet is a consonant. Okay, so that's it. Let's run and see if this works out. So program compiling, we have got error over here. Okay, so I need to specify double equality for equal sign. Okay, I'm sorry for the mistake. Compile again, and there we go. Okay, enter an alphabet. So if I enter U, it says U is a vowel, which is correct. Let's enter some consonant. Let's say I enter B, and this says B is a consonant. So which means our program is right. Let me walk you through the code once again. So we have given the message to the user to enter an alphabet, and then we have read the alphabet, which will be our character. So we have used reader.next.character at index 0. So character into an alphabet variable, and we are checking if that alphabet is equals to A or E or I or A or U. We have used OR variable because we want if any of these one of these is true, then our goal is accomplished. Okay, so if alphabet is equals to any of these five, then we are printing that the alphabet is a vowel. If it is not one of these five, then we are printing that the alphabet is a consonant. So this is one way of doing, and you can do the same check by switch as well. So I am commenting or this piece of code which is based on if else. Now I'm starting my switch, which is another way of doing the same what we did. So switch, and I pass my alphabet. Okay, and I start my switch block, and in this if case is A or my case is E E or my case is O or I or my case is IEO, and my case is U. So if my case is any of these five cases, then I print that alphabet is a vowel, and I break the switch. And by default, I give a default, and default basically I print that our alphabet is a consonant. There we go. This should work. Let's run and see. Let's run and see if this works out. So I enter alphabet T, and this is a consonant, which is right. Let me enter a vowel as well. So I enter a O. So when I enter a O, it says O is a vowel, which is right. So what actually is happening is we have taken the alphabet from user and we are passing into a switch. And in switch, this alphabet will be compared to each of these cases. And if either A, E, I, O, U, if any of these one matches with the alphabet, then this piece of code will be run and it will print the alphabet is a vowel and break the switch, and if any of these does not match, then default will run and it will print that the alphabet is a consonant. So that's it with this tutorial. You can find the code of if else as well as switch in the description of this video. And that's it. I will see you in next tutorial.